Advanced Institute of Counselling and Human Relations (AICHR) is a government registered NGO in India, registered number 317/94. AICHR has been at the forefront of combating substance abuse through a twofold approach: training pastors in drug addiction prevention counseling, recognizing the pivotal role of faith-based leaders in shaping communities. We provide specialized counseling training to pastors. Equipped with these skills, they become valuable agents of change, capable of guiding individuals and families affected by substance abuse toward recovery and holistic well-being. Conducting drug awareness programs, we organize impactful awareness campaigns to educate communities, particularly vulnerable youth, about the dangers of drug and alcohol abuse. These programs empower individuals with knowledge, foster resilience, and promote healthier lifestyle choices. With alarming rise in addiction rates globally, we believe that international collaboration is essential to tackle this crisis effectively. AICHR is eager to work alongside like-minded organizations such as yours to exchange best practices and resources in addiction prevention and recovery, develop and implement innovative training and awareness strategies, facilitate joint programs to amplify the research and impact of our collective efforts. We are confident that our shared vision and expertise can significantly contribute to creating addiction-free communities worldwide. We kindly request your support and partnership in this vital mission. Together, we can strengthen global efforts to prevent substance abuse and bring hope to those affected. Thank you for considering this opportunity for collaboration. We look forward to your response and the possibility of working together to make a lasting difference. AICHR invites international organizations, churches, visionaries, individuals working on addiction around the world to collaborate with AICHR to save the lives of the addicted youth and student community in India. God bless you. Please contact us. Reverend Dr. M. TITUS NIRMAL KUMAR, Director, AICHR India. titusworldpeace.yahoo.com. Cell number 919 440 281977.